Hello inventors, welcome back to my channel. This is day 31 of MIT App Inventor series, and in this video we will learn how we can use proximity sensor. So click on start my project, and my project name is day 31 app, and okay. So what is the use of proximity sensor? So every phone have that sensor, okay? So whenever you call to someone, okay, and once you hold your phone nearby your ear, okay, so this screen, okay, your home screen light is automatically off, okay. So every phone has that sensor, and that sensor is somewhere is around here, this way, okay. So once you hold your phone like nearby your ear, so this screen will automatically off, okay. So that's the purpose of that sensor in your phone, but you can use that sensor in many ways. So let me show you how we can use this sensor. So that's our screen, okay. So what you can do here using this sensor, so in the left side you'll find sensors like this, and you just need to drag and drop that proximity sensor like this, okay. You can use this sensor to create robot and cars. So simply you can create a car or you can create a robot that can walk around the road or somewhere, and whenever they find some object, okay, because that's the sensor, okay. So whenever some object is nearby that sensor, so this will automatically sense the object, okay, like our proximity sensor do. So what we will do, this sensor automatically detect the object. So if I create an app here, let me just show you how this will work. So make sure we need to just make this keep running like this. It's really very simple, okay, nothing at all, and just one button to start this. So just start, okay, like this, and let's go to the block, or let me just make the whole thing in a center. Start button, go to the block, and once the people click on that button start, so we need to enable this, okay. Proximity sensor should be true. Sorry, proximity sensor enable true. You can make one more button to make it false, one, and we need to make just true like this, okay, done. Now we need to use here one sensor like this one method, and we need to use here one more thing, okay, and that is go to the design. In the left side you'll find the media, and just use your text to speech like this. Go to the block and just call it here like this, okay, and you can use any text here. So like, let me just try this and say turn left, okay, turn left, something like this, okay. So once your phone, okay, goes to nearby any object, this will automatically say turn left or turn right, something, okay. So you can use this sensor in many ways. Scan this, and what I will do, let me just scan this, and let me just wait for some seconds to initialize this. It's done, and now I have that phone, okay, that sensor. So I just need to click on a start button, okay, and then let's just start. Like, let me just go, let me just put my phone nearby any bottle or any my other phone. So this will automatically say please turn left. I have just scanned this, and what I will do, let me just scan this, and let me just wait for some seconds to initialize this. It's done, and now I have that phone, okay, that sensor. So I just need to click on a start button, okay, and then let's just start. Like, let me just go, let me just put my phone nearby any bottle or any my other phone. So this will automatically say please turn left.
Turn left. Turn left. Turn left.
See, right? So that's the overall app, okay. So you can use this in many ways. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.